Hey guys, thanks for coming back. Today we're gonna talk about the websites for creating cloning thumbnails. So here's the first website, it's a canva.com. What are the features? You can see the features like drag and drop, edit with customized templates, stock images, precised, and more. Use great for creating professional thumbnails. So we're gonna go for the second one is Adobe Express. This is the website here. You can check out the website. What are the features like customizable, thumbnails, templates. You can have integration with Adobe's creative tools. Access royalty-free image icons and ideal for users with the ecosystem. Third, we have is Snappa. It's a website. The features: pre-made templates, YouTube blogs, free stock photos, easy to design, and everything you can do. Now we will go for the photo. Thumbnails, templates, photo editing, customizable text, and everything you can have it. The fifth one is Krilo. Now it's called Vista Create. Basically, I have personally used it. It's a very good. You can have thousands of thumbnails here, animation. So the great thing is for creating animated thumbnails. The sixth one is Big Monkey. This is the website. Features customizable template, advanced photo editing, text overlay, graphic design, best for users who want to control detail. Now you can go on the websites and have a great. And I keep the website's description on the description, so you can have a